Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I am going to show how to create Fiverr account step by step with full setup. First, as a new, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services that offers services to customers worldwide. Here are two-sided market for people to buy and sell a variety of digital services like website develop, graphics design, accounts management, SEO, video editing and so more. As a freelancer, you can provide your service virtually, earn and learn from anywhere. So it's important to create a right way Fiverr account. For this step, first go to Fiverr website. Now click on join. After that, you can different way to sign up, but giving your mail is perfect. Now continue. Now choose a good looking unique username, which will be your display name. That cannot be changed after this account create. Choose your password and click join. Now you are registered on Fiverr. Now check your given mail inbox to activate your account. Now activate. Account are now successfully activated as a buyer. About to given business account information. This is your personal account. Now your buyer account activating to seller account. Click on your profile picture and select become a seller from the drop down menu. Now you guide here how to use Fiverr as a seller. Click continue. Here also see guide to successful on Fiverr. Click continue. Now you will see some community standard for success in Fiverr. Click continue. Now you need to give in 4 steps information here, which will complete the profile and you will create a gig. Till now only 10% are completed. So first, personal information. Given your legal full name here with first name and last name. Add an image of yourself. Make sure you own the picture and original. Should be clear and should not be copyright anywhere. In description section, write introduce yourself. Like a summary of what are you want to sell your skill. You can take help to reviewing some matches of good level seller profile. Search profile matches projected like that you like graphics design or accounting and bookkeeping. Here I want to gonna set your accounting and bookkeeping profile. You can set any like these tips following as a new. Just see and following for helping, not to do copy, similar or same. Trying to be a good professional looking, which will be attractive to buyers. Here I set as a accounting and bookkeeping profile. In language section, you can add your proficient language with a level 1 or more. That are you actually know. Now continue. Now set your professional info. Giving occupation as your matches profile. Here I set accounting with 5 skill and graphics design with 5 skill. Now set skill with experience level, that also help to know buyers about me. Education section, set which degree, where and when you attended. You can add 1 or more as you earn.
Certification section, add your certificate achievement.
that can help you stand out from other sellers. You can add your personal web or blog site here. Continue. Now set your linked account by connected with Fiverr account, one or more as mentioned. After your preference connected, now continue. Set your account secure by mail and phone as mentioned. Mail already verified. Add your phone number and verify by SMS or call. Select SMS. After received code, giving here and submit. Add security question that also help to secure as authenticator. Finish and OK. Click done. Your profile almost done or ready to create gig as a seller. You can begin creating your first gig as per your skill matches. Gig means term of services that you offer and sell in the marketplace. Gig is an opportunity to showcase your talent to potential customers with information they may find before they choose an order. You can see more relevant active success gig profile on Fiverr. That will be helpful to create a professional gig. Inshallah, I will be publish another video how to creating a gig. Now go to profile. Under picture, you can type few text as per your profile matches. You can take help to see relevant profile. You can earn badge and stand out to enroll this free course from Fiverr. Just enroll. Watch video course gradually and participate quiz. After first, you will earn a badge on your profile. In description section, you can update any text. All are okay. Now providing some helping issue in setting option. Go to setting. In account option, giving full name. You can change your mail from here. You can set your status offline, but online is perfect. After giving information, save change. You can also anytime deactivate your current account with reason. In security option, you can change and save your password. Phone and security option already enable. If need edit, then do this from here. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account properly. In notification, you can custom set, but by default is right. If you want to create Fiverr business account with your team, then set this information. As your account are now personal, no need here any information. Billing option information. Set to receive an invoice with your business details. No need any information now. In balance option status, you can see after your earnings start. You can get Fiverr credit of referral program by inviting from here. Billing history option. Manage all your invoice from your billing history page. Get in from here for purchases made on Fiverr, so you can easily track your purchases, cancellation and deposits. So finally, all settings are done for your personal Fiverr account as a seller. If this video is helpful a little bit, subscribe channel, click bell icon to see any update video. Share to others helping and write your valuable comments. Thanks today. Allah Hafiz.